These properties aren't lookers. I understand that. They are really ugly. I understand that. But that's what opportunity is. You know, a lot of time, good opportunity doesn't look very good. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new episode of Leveraging Real Estate for Freedom. This is our shit to gold series, okay, where we take shit and turn it into gold. Okay, to my left, you will see a triplex of 1 bedroom, 1 bath. To the right, this is a single family residence with 3 bedroom, 1 bath. I just signed the closing docs today, so which means that once it's recorded, today or tomorrow, these properties will be my company's, all right? So the selling point on these is that number 1 is vacant. Number 2, we can readily turn it around, rent them out at market price, and have these be positive in cash flow. At the same time, we will have the opportunity to sell them or to have a capital event where we can make a good amount of money, okay, by rehabbing and then selling it right away. So let's take a look at these and we'll go from there.
We got this property, the triplex, under contract for $296, and then the single family house we got into contract for $194. As a realtor, I don't look at the property how it looks. I go deeper into it and look at the potential of the property. And that's how I express it to my investors, that I have given them the numbers, the clear numbers of how much it can rent for, what's the renovation cost, ending number that we can sell the property for at the end. That definitely helps my investors feel comfortable working with me. If you, as a realtor, do your due diligence up front, all the investors will have trust in you and work with you on more deals.
These properties aren't lookers. I understand that. They are really ugly. I understand that. But that's what opportunity is. You know, a lot of time, good opportunity doesn't look very good. People pass on the opportunity because of that. For these, you know, once we finish a rehab, and we're gonna be able to do it very fast because they're all vacant, we're gonna have the opportunity to sell this for, you know, maybe 1.5 to 2 times the price. All right, so hey, follow us for more educational videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click on that bell button so that you get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.